Sodium silicate powder, the invisible industrial hero, revealing its mysterious powers. Amidst the steel and concrete of skyscrapers, within the speeding subway tunnels, and even in your daily laundry detergent, there exists excellent powerhouse, upholding modern industry. Meet sodium silicate powder. Today, we unveil the true face of this invisible titan. Part E. What is sodium silicate powder? This ordinary looking white powder represents the perfect fusion of sodium and silicon, instantly soluble in water. It forms high viscosity liquid glass with exceptional acid resistance, heat endurance withstanding 900摄氏度, and superior adhesion. From construction to environmental protection, household chemicals to metallurgy, its presence permeates every industry. In tunneling engineering, it's the ultimate waterproof sealant, rapidly solidifying soil to create impermeable barriers. As a refractory material binder, it withstands extreme temperatures at 1/50 the cost of resins while offering better corrosion resistance. In environmental applications, it activates fly ash, transforming waste into high-strength cement. For oil fields, it serves as a cost-effective thickener, merely 1000人民币 ton that outperforms traditional materials in extraction efficiency. It boosts cleaning power in your phosphate-free detergents and enhances ceramic glazes while preventing metal corrosion. Sodium silicate powder has still infiltrated your daily life. Part 3. Future Trends Innovations. Amid tightening environmental regulations, its green production processes take center stage. AF Ocean manufacturer adopted plasma technology, slashing pollutants by 90%, with global market expanding at 6% annual growth. This hidden champion is projected to become a multi-billion-dollar industry by 2030. Call to action. Whether you're in construction, environmental protection, or FMCG, sodium silicate powder is your secret weapon for cost efficiency. Need 40 度, instant, soluble formulas, or customized modular products? Click below to connect with top-tier suppliers now.